Hi, welcome to Artistic Document, and in this video you will learn about some word knowledge. This is the practice lesson 2. I think this video will be helpful for your next upcoming exam, which is directly related with the NCLX and praxis and other exams like HAZY, AFQT, STB. These types of exam will be covered for this tutorial. And here the passage 1, the hospital developed a comprehensive safety plan for all departments. Question 1, comprehensive means, so here the option A is narrow. The example sentence, the hallway was narrow, barely allowing two people to walk side by side. And option B, incomplete, her explanation was incomplete, leaving out critical information about the incident. And option C is detailed, the report that followed was detailed, covering every aspect of the experiment thoroughly. So here vague. In contrast, the summary at the end was vague and offering only a broad overview with no specifics. So here comprehensive means comprehensive safety, so I think it's a detailed safety. So here option C is detailed, and here comprehensive means through and covering all aspects. So here the passage 2, the infection began to recur after the antibiotics were stopped. And here question 2 is recur means to. So here option A fade, option B repeat, option C heal, option D spread. So here fade, the example sentence, the color of the old painting began to fade after years of sunlight exposure. So repeat, to master the piano piece you must repeat the difficult section until they become effortless. Heal, time and proper care can help emotional wounds heal. Spread, the virus began to spread rapidly through the crowded city. So here I think the heal will be the answer. Recur means, so here option B is a repeat. So the infection began to recur after the antibiotic were stopped, so it's a repeat. So here recur means to happen again and again. So here of paragraph 3, and here there was an inevitable delay due to the power outage. Inevitable, so inevitable most nearly means, so here avoidable, surprising, unavoidable, and preventable. So the accident was completely avoidable if the driver had followed the speed limit. Surprising, it was surprising to see snow in the desert during spring. So here unavoidable, some delays were unavoidable due to the weather condition. Preventable, so here many health issues are preventable with early detection and proper care. Here the answer is option C, unavoidable. Inevitable, so means certain to happen, so it's unavoidable. Some delays are unavoidable due to weather condition. So here the passage 4 or paragraph 4, the patient's condition continued to fluctuate, making treatment difficult. Fluctuate means here stabilize, vary, and improve. So here option A stabilize, the example sentence is the doctor worked quickly to stabilize the patient's condition after surgery. Vary, weather patterns tend to vary significantly from region to region, and the movie seemed to end abruptly, leaving many questions unanswered. So improve, like abruptly means shankipto. So here improve, regular exercise and a healthy diet can greatly improve your overall well-being. So I think this will be the vary, fluctuate. So here the answer is option B, vary. Fluctuate means to change unpredictably. So next paragraph 5, passage 5, the outdated equipment had become obsolete. Question 5, obsolete means. I think it's the synonym word is neglect, broken, new, outdated, and rare. So outdated will be the answer, cause outdated is directly the synonym of obsolete. Broken, the broken window was quickly replaced to keep out the cold. New, she bought a new laptop to replace her malfunctioning old one. Outdated, his presentation relied on outdated statistics that weakened his argument. And here, rare, it's rare to find original print from that era in such good condition. Here the answer is option C, outdated. Obsolete means no longer in use or outdated. So here paragraph 6, the patient's symptoms began to deteriorate despite medication. What does deteriorate most nearly mean? Already we have learned about the deteriorate, stabilize, improve, decline, strengthen. So here deteriorate despite medication. Like the doctor worked hard to stabilize the patient vital sign after surgery. Improve, with regular practice you can improve your performance significantly. Decline, a sudden decline in sale prompted the company to evaluate its strategy. Strengthen the team, management is invested in training and development programs. Here the answer is option C, decline. Deteriorate means to become progressively worsen. A sudden decline in sale prompted to the company to re-evaluate its strategy. The passage 7, the nurse demonstrated empathy when speaking to the grieving family. Empathy most nearly means, so here the answer is like pity, disinterest, understanding, and the distance. So already we have learned from the previous tutorial, the empathy nearly means to understanding. So here the correct answer is option C. Empathy is the ability to understand and share another's feelings. Here on the passage 8, the patient improvement was gradual, occurring over several weeks. And question 8, gradual means a sudden. Here the sudden storm caught everyone off guard at the beach. Temporary, thankfully the power outage was only temporary and lasted less than an hour. Slow. So the example sentence is, his recovery was slow, but each small step marked real progress. Random, the data showed a random pattern, making it difficult to predict future outcomes. Correct answer is option C. Gradual means happening slowly over time. So here the passage 9, the medical intern relied on credible sources to support her research. Question 9, credible most nearly means, so here doubtful, reliable, biased, and flawed. So doubtful, it's doubtful that the witness remembers the event clearly after so many years. Reliable, for accurate information she turned to a reliable scientific journal. Biased, the article was clearly biased, favoring one side without considering the facts. Flawed, his argument was flawed because it ignored key evidence presented earlier. So here the correct answer is option B. Credible means trustworthy or believable. Here the passage 10, despite her fatigue the nurse completed the double shift. Fatigue refers to despite her fatigue. excitement, hunger, tiredness, soreness. So this two this one word is really new for me. And excitement, the children's excitement was obvious as they waited for the amusement park to open. Hunger, after hours of walking, their hunger led them to the nearest food stall. Tiredness, tiredness set in by evening, making everyone eager to rest. Soreness, the next day they all complained about soreness in their legs from all the walking. So fatigue refers to. Despite her fatigue, the nurse completed the double shift. Excitement. I think the excitement will be the right answer. So here option C, tiredness. So tiredness is set in by evening, making everyone eager to rest. Okay, despite her fatigue, the nurse completed the double shift. Okay, now I got it. So here I hope this video will be helpful, and this is really important for your next upcoming exam, and this types of tutorial will be helpful for NCLEX, Praxis, and other exam will be covered. So thanks for watching this video. Join us at Facebook private group AI competitive exam powered by Bluebird. See you again for another new video.